Good morning, welcome to another video lecture. Today also we are going to discuss about a multiplexer numerical. So this numerical is very easy to compare to other numericals. So the numerical is like this: a 8 cross 1 multiplexer has inputs A, B, C connected to the selection input S2, S1 and S0 respectively. Data inputs I0 to I7 are as follows. So I2 equal to 0, I0, I1 and I3 equal to 1, I4, I6 and I7 are D, I5 equal to D bar. And we need to find the output F, which will be in terms of A, B, C, D. So after getting the output, we can write down in terms of SOP or POS. That depends upon the question. So you can see here, they have told that we need to use 8 cross 1 multiplexer. So in 8 cross 1 multiplexer, we need to use here and see this diagram. So we are using three selection lines here, S2, S1 and S0. So S2, S1, S0 are the three selection lines where this S2, S1, S0 are the basically A, B, C. So and here basically A, B, C we are taking as the ABC variable I am taking as the selection lines and D as the input. So here I0 to I7 are the eight input lines. So here I0, I2 and I3 is nothing but to 1, I2 equal to 0 and I'm taking I4, I6, I7 is D, I5 equal to D bar. So these are the inputs I have given and they asked what is F. So to get this answer, we need to write down first 8 cross 1 multiplexer truth table. Okay, so if you all of you know, I think 8 cross 1 multiplexer truth table, we have three selection lines S2, S1, S0, which is nothing but the variable A, B, C. And as I have three selection lines, we'll get eight possible combinations. I am getting eight possible combinations, which is nothing but 0 to 7, decimal value 0 to 7 I wrote. Okay, so I wrote like this when when the input pair here equal to 000, then output F equal to I0. Similarly, for 001, I am getting F equal to I2. Similarly, for 111, I am getting F equal to I7. And they have given in the question what is I0 value, what is I0 value, what is I2 value, what is I3 value. They have already mentioned this thing. So I3 value equal to 1, I5 value equal to D bar, I7 equal to D. All these things they mentioned in the question. So the output, all we know that if the truth table for a 8 cross 1 multiplexer is like this, then we can write down F equal to S2 bar, S1 bar, S2 bar, S1 bar, S0 bar into I0. Similarly, plus S2 bar, S1 bar into S0 into I1. So we'll keep writing like this up to we get the last last group of input where I'm writing S2 into S1 into S0 into I7. So now we know what is S2 value, what is S1 value, what is S0 value. Like all of you know here, S2 equal to A, S1 equal to B, S0 equal to C, and corresponding I0, I1, I2 value we have mentioned here. We have mentioned here, right? Next, just replace here what is S2 value. So like S2 value I replace here with S2 bar A bar, then S1 bar here B bar, S0 bar C bar. So we mentioned everything into I0. I0 is nothing but 1 here. So you can see here I0 is nothing but 1. Similarly, I put here S2 bar, S1 bar, S0 like A bar, B bar, C into 1. So here you can see here I2 is getting I2 is 0. So here I put I2 is 0. So everything I put like I3, I4, I5, I6, I7, I up to I7 we put. So after putting these things we got F equal to A bar B bar C, then A bar B bar C, A bar B C. Like this we got in terms of SOP. But here you can see that this is not the perfect SOP. This is not the perfect SOP. Okay. So after that you have to write down in terms of SOP. Like here we can mention like A bar, B bar, C bar, then D plus D bar, then here also these things all of I think all of you people know. Okay, so we keep on doing this, then expand it, then whatever things are there, we'll see the redundance, then we can write down, finally you can write down what is the SOP we got. Okay. After that you can put it, you can find out its SOP, or if the question asked about POS. So once you got the SOP, then you can convert it to POS. This is the simple numerical where inputs are given. You can see inputs are given and selection lines are given. Selection lines which variables have taken, that is given, and you need to find out to F in terms of SOP or POS. I hope you understood this question. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section. Thank you for listening.